ride on this giant ski landing. We stood up at 5:45 to ride on the hill, and there was just loaded with people. Like, who the fuck stands up at 5:45? But in the meantime, we're just gonna go ride some downhill, and we'll get back when people left. Come on, Jonas. Yo. So we're now waited 12 hours. We've just been riding downhill for the 5th day in a row, and it's now time for attempt number 2. Okay, so me and Jonas want to try to jump these jumps just to get warmed up. Jonas has never tried to ride on this surface, so it's gonna be good practice for when we hit the actual Hillbomb. Yeah, that's what it's called. Sorry. I'm still in YouTube high school. Okay, Jonas is coming. His first air jump. It's also wet. Yeah. I really want to do these things for the tough ones, but it's been a winter today, so all of the grass is insanely wet, and I don't want to start breaking and just slide and then just die. So I'm just gonna do it from about there, I reckon. Stop. No, stop it. Now we're cat. Ready for a big hill now. Like standing here, you can't even see where you're going down. It's just, you can see like maybe 4 meters and then there's nothing. Yeah. And then it's just a white line. And it looked like one hill on the camera, but it's actually going like this. And it's just, I bet it's like 45 degrees or something. Or 90 degrees.
It's literally like 45 degrees. We should measure it later.
Like we can't stand even further than this, and we're just going to roll down.
So which bike do you want to go down on? We can choose. Marcus is going on that one. Do you think this one or the BMX? Right? Are you sure? Yeah. Fuck, I was about to go on that one.
He's gonna die. He's gonna die.
I'm not sure which one is more sketchy.
I would say the BMX, this one, and then I would say this one is the most sketchy, yeah?
Yeah. Two brakes and some shit ton of expense.
I'm not talking about the bike, I'm talking about the rider. Oh. Fuck det her, altså. Det kunne vært hjemme og spise biff nå, liksom.
Send! Får du noia?
Som faen.
Hva med deg?
No, I'm not even excited, I'm just scared. Oh my god. Hæ? Nei, det må jo gjøre det, altså. Bro. Å, fy faen, Å, fy faen. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fy faen! Oh fy faen! Oh fy faen! Fy faen, å 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 fy faen. Å fy faen. Å fy faen. I'm in tears. It's just, look at it. It's just, the camera does not give justice at all. It's just probably like 150 meters tall. Tryna du? Nei, gikk det bra? Er det good? Nei? Dude, legend. Oh, fy faen, ass. Don't you just say Norwegian, you stupid guy. This is an English channel. Against Norwegian, but we tried to speak English. Huh? How did you enter the bottom?
On my stomach.
Hvordan gikk det?
Det gikk fint.
Hvor tryna du?
Det ser du, se på sporet mitt, jeg begynte å wobble, og så ser du i bånd der.
Men hva gjorde du?
You wonky head.
Den sykeste følelsen.
Okay, so you can see on the lanes here where Jonas slid it out. You can see Ola's lane, perfectly straight. My lane, perfectly straight. And then Jonas is just like... Bruh. But he's okay, sadly.
Sadly?
Okay, that is gonna be it. I'm so happy that I didn't die, to be completely honest. Like and subscribe, and there's even a merch link in the bio. See you there. Bye.